Welcome back. Capital One is reporting a data breach affecting 100 million people applying for a credit card. Investigators say 140,000 Social Security numbers have been compromised, and 80,000 bank account numbers were also stolen. The stock is sliding on this news, down sharply this morning. And joining us right now is the Wall Street Journal's technology reporter, Tim Higgins. Tim, it's good to have you on the program. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
So the woman who did the hack worked for Amazon AWS services.
Yeah.
Tell us. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, it's a little early to understand exactly how that affected this. What Capital One was doing was buying computing service, web computing services from Amazon. And what that means is essentially remote computers far away. Capital One was using them from Amazon to put their data into this cloud. And then usually it's to save money on IT and that sort of thing. So we tend to see that companies struggle with computing services that are remote on this because they're so complicated and tend to sometimes not configure them in the right way, which then leads them vulnerable to attacks. The last time I looked at some data on this, more than 175 intrusions occurred because of these kind of improperly configured services. So it's more routine than customers realize.
So, question for you. Can we assume from this that the cloud is not secure? Because obviously that has been the big selling point from all these vendors that, trust us, your data is completely secure, et cetera. Or was this really a one-off because you had an insider sort of effecting this hack?
Well, so Amazon might be selling that computer services to Capital One, but generally speaking, Capital One would then be in charge of adding whatever is on top of that and then being responsible for configuring it. So one of the questions still remaining is exactly how did her alleged connection with Amazon really affect things here, and what was Capital One's kind of role and what they perhaps didn't do correct. So that's still something I want to see as we go forward. But generally speaking, when we see these kind of intrusions in the past, this is complicated. One of the benefits of cloud computing is that it's so easy, and that companies may be frustrated with the cumbersome process of their IT services would change to a cloud where they can just kick it up and all of a sudden have this service going, and that's where we've seen problems in the past.
So if Amazon is helping out with these cloud agreements with all these companies, and these companies aren't setting it up right, and over again these companies are getting hacked, what responsibility does Amazon have to make sure that in these massive contracts like Capital One, there is actually security here?
Real quick, Tim.
Well, we've seen these companies in the past try to put safeguards in there to alert customers that they need to pay attention.
All right, we'll leave it there. Tim, good to see you. Thank you.